I have never seen a tribe that is so hypocritical like Yorubas. I have never seen in my life. Now, is it not playing? Everybody is seeing it very clear. You see, it is not very long ago that everybody was shouting, IPOB, IPOB, IPOB. They were killing their people. Igbos are killing themselves. Even some Igbos are complaining that Igbos are killing themselves, without knowing that it was Nigerian government, Nigerian soldiers, Fulani, the ones that were imbibed into Nigerian soldiers, sent to the east. They were the ones doing all those dirty jobs. But so many Igbo people did not understand that. They were shouting, it was Martin Nandekano, it was IPOB. The ones that are happening in the north, are they IPOBs? The one that is happening now in the Yoruba land, are they IPOBs? Ask yourself this simple question, then answer yourself. Do you get it? You see, I laugh. I'm not happy what is going on, the killings, the maiming, the abduction, the kidnapping, whatever thing you want to call it. But the truth is, the Yorubas thought that they could bring the Igbos down by labeling them bad people, killers, whatever, that they were fighting for Biafra. Biafra is the last resort of Igbo man. Whether you like, every Igbo person, even let him have 100 or 1,000 buildings in another state, Lagos, Abuja, wherever, his last hope is Biafra land. Because we know that Igbos, we can do better by ourselves. I don't mean that all Igbo people are nice people and good people. No, far from that. We have bad people, we have very good people. That's just the truth. The same type of people you have in Igbo land, you have it in Benin, you have it in Yorubas, you have it in Hausa people, you have it in TV, you have it in white people. I live in white land. I know what is going on. So I just want you people to understand that those names they were calling Igbo people were not necessary. Igbos have been so much marginalized, and they are struggling to elevate themselves and to come up to a certain level. They are not even strong. Look at that. P2B came out for presidency. Everybody was attacking Igbo people, attacking him. Even some Igbos were attacking him, foolish ones. Do you understand? Igbos don't even want to be president of Nigeria. What they need is Biafra, whether you like it or not. But the reason for this video is simple. The Yorubas are crying today. You can see the whole villages are being ransacked by so-called Fulani henchmen. Now, they are not shouting Amotekun, Amotekun. Do you see Yorubas shouting Amotekun? You cannot hear any Yoruba shouting Amotekun. Do you hear Igbo people shouting that it's Amotekun? No, you cannot see that. These guys are Fulani people who want to invade everybody and take over everybody and take over their lands. And the high time you people understand it, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu shouted, gave prophecies, and some people overlooked it and say, who is this one? Is one idiot I'm working with in my company is a Nigerian boy. He said that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu he was a babysitter in London. He want to defraud people. He want to take people's money. You did not contribute money. Why are you taking Panadol for another person's headache? Igbo people want to fund their struggle, and somebody must superhead the struggle, whether you like it or not. Even though it's not Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, it could be another person. But the point is that Biafra must be funded. Biafran, IPOB, or whatever, any organization coming up must be funded. Without funds, there is nothing you can do. So, and somebody must superhead it. Somebody must head the place. You understand? So right now it's happening in Yoruba land. They are killing people, abducting people. No other tribes shouting that it's Yorubas that are killing. They are shouting Fulanis. When Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was saying it, you people thought he's a tribalist. This one, what is he talking about? He want to divide Nigeria. He want to divide Nigeria. Now you people will later shout the same thing. Yorubas, you look at you people, your mothers and your fathers, the elderly, they are in the village, they are being ransacked, abducted by so-called that we don't even know. Maybe it's Amotekun. This one you are shouting Fulani, it may be Amotekun plus you Fulani. Now that they saw that Tinubu is not dancing to their tone, so they want to attack. You see it? So if you are not dancing to their tone, they will attack you. You see the level? This was what happened during those last few months that they were attacking Igbo people. They sent Nigerian military, Fulani Nigerian military to the east. What they were doing was to shoot the youth, kill them, burn their houses. That's what they were doing. Nothing more than that. It's exactly now. It's not military that is doing in the Yoruba because Tinubu is in charge. He cannot send military to go to Yoruba land. Now it's the Fulanis and some hoodlums. You get it? So I want you people to be getting sense. Stop being hypocritical. Just be yourself. If somebody is doing right, praise him. If he's doing wrong, it's like Tinubu now. A lot of Yorubas are being stupid, foolish the same time. Tinubu is not doing well. Tinubu has failed. You people have seen it. You are even hungry. If you are not hungry, your mother, your father is hungry, your brothers, your siblings, they are hungry. But you still bent on talking about Tinubu, who is interested in grabbing, ruling, and knows nothing to rule about. So my message here is, what is happening now, is it Amotekun or Fulani people? That's just my message. It's my question. If it is Amotekun saw Fulani people that came to kill them. They catch them. They caught them, collected their guns, and sent them back as a nice people. Now they are in Yorubaland. Those people you sent back, 200 plus, you people sent them back. They are back, and they are the one killing you people and abducting you people. Hypocrisy is not good. Don't pretend. When something is going wrong, kick against it. Otherwise, it must come back to you. When you speed up, it will fall on you. Very simple. So we are not here to talk too much. Amotekun, if you are not the one doing the killings, then it's a security outfit. Do something so that this kidnapping will stop. That is all I've got to say here. I don't want to talk too much. Yorubas should face the truth and the reality. Otherwise, this is what will keep happening every time. It continues to happen. And there is nothing you can do about it. The country is bad. The country has failed. The country is bleeding. This is because of the security the Yorubas went and connived with the North. Let us cheat Igbo people. They will not rule. Igbo man will not rule Nigeria. So that is the reason. So now, you see, this is the kickback. It's what is going on. Now they saw that Tinubu is not favoring them. Many of them are against Tinubu. And the Tinubu himself don't want to accept. That is the clash going on. Nothing more than that. You understand? So Igbo people are by the corner looking and laughing. Every day, you people are attacking Obi, Peter Obi. And the foolish Igbo people, city boys, they are joining you people to attack Obi. It will be a shame when if eventually Obi become what he is pursuing. I don't know what they will use to cover their shame. But we are watching. We are watching. Yorubas, learn. Afonja, they have taken Kwara. They are coming to take Oyo, and there is nothing you can do about it. They have taken Ondo. What is remaining? What is remaining? Foolish people. What is remaining? You people will learn, and you will learn in a hard way. That's the only way. I'm out of here. Thank you.